In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I make this beautiful twist for my daughter. Keep watching and stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, you are welcome to share reactions. Thank you so much for the love, for the support, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate every one of you. Okay, today I'm going to be making my daughter's hair, and I'm making a strand, a twist for her. She wanted a twist on her natural hair. That's what I'm doing right now. I've already made some of the hair before I started the video because I don't want the video to be too long. Right now I just take a section of the hair. What I will do, I'll first of all braid it from the root, okay, before I start twisting it. Okay, to make the hair last for long, I'll first of all braid it from the root a little bit, then I'll twist it. Okay, that's it guys, that's all. It's very easy, it's very simple. Just watch what I do and that's it. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Thank you so much. Keep watching. This is the last strand, almost done. The hair looked nice and she really loves her hair. She was so happy after I finished making this hair. I hope you guys like the hair too. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new. If today is your first time of coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support, for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate every one of you. God bless you all. And please don't forget to share, okay? Don't forget to share this video to your friends. I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.